Okay, so I'm going to save as. Then I'm going to go ahead and just make sure I'm in ortho mode when I have my endpoint on. Crossing. Select everything. Copy command. Now I have my object snap because I want to be along this line here. And I'm going to move over to the right, and that's it. Save. Okay, so now I need to do the stationing of all of these projection lines. So I want to go ahead, since I'm in ortho mode, I'm just going to copy and paste along here. I could use offset. I'm going to go ahead and put this on the projection lines layer. And the reason for that is that that is the only layer that I want to see right now. Then what I want to do is make lines in between the nodes. So what I want to do is bring these projection lines up to that line. I want to extend them. So I'm going to select the line that is my bounding edge, invoke the extend command, and then I'm going to use, since I'm just going to be touching them, the crossing window that's right to left. Ta-da! Done. Now I'm going to invoke the line command, and I'm going to make sure that I am in with my node and perpendicular only. All right. Because they were line segments, I can then use that very nature. I'm going to pin open the properties menu, the palette, and I'm going to say, all right, so if this, I'm just going to make one. I'm going to bring it up here. I'm going to go ahead and rotate this. I'm going to line up my cursor with the projection line. And I'm still in ortho mode so that I can just do that. And get it up a little bit more. Okay. Good, so now I'm ready. I'm going to be copying all of this. So now I just read. It's 27 feet, 3.8 inches. So that is actually closer to half a foot. So that is 27.5. So now we just edit this. I say that it is 27.5. A little bigger. Okay, so now I'm going to go ahead and copy that. I'm going to use the copy command so that I can have all of them be at exactly the same distance above that line. In fact, we can go ahead and trim our projection lines again. All we have to do, remember we're in ortho mode, is bring these down. Let's just bring them here, that's close enough. It's already highlighted. Hit the trim and use our crossing window, and they're gone. And then go ahead and select that and delete that as well. Cleans up our space nice. So we've already done the first one. And then we just keep going and adding to each one. 50 feet added to 27 and a half. Don't forget to escape. Now see, this one we can just subtract from 1200. That's actually closer to 4.5 than it is to 5. So we'll go 4.5 less than 12. Okay, now that we have that, we need to go ahead and delete all of these little lines. And now we're pretty much right back to where we started from. Go ahead and unisolate, regenerate. So there are all of our stationing for all of the projection lines. So now you're just going to go into your Excel file, and instead of projection line number 1, projection line number 2, that sort of thing, you're actually going to write these station numbers, and that'll help keep things a little more authentic.